By the Yard is a great family-owned business that makes incredible products. We're producing some of the best furniture that you'll ever experience.
We care about the environment and we're taking steps to kind of protect it. We take plastic out of landfills, save it from going into the ocean, and create sustainable furniture.
We'll take your number 2 plastic that you may put into your recycling container. It goes off to a facility where we take it, we shred it down, grind it into pellets. Once it's melted down, we put UV stabilizer in it, manufacture, engineer it to the beautiful products that you see today.
This furniture is set it and forget it. I don't have to wash it, I don't have to cover it. Like, the stuff is truly indestructible.
Whether it's 120 degrees in the heat of Arizona or 20 below in the frozen tundra up here in the Midwest, the material doesn't know any elements.
There is so much passion behind our product. We want it to be the very best. We're the premier manufacturer and we stand behind it in any way, shape, or form.
We truly do believe that our furniture is the best in the industry. It's made to flex when someone sits in it and to contour to different body types, and the longer you own it and the more you sit in it, the more comfortable that it gets. It's made to last 35 years, and we're very proud of the fact that we've got a 35-year warranty and we can stand behind it.